Nolan.
Play the movie.
Why?
I actually like watching it.
Oh. Let's play the movie for Nolan. Here, let me push play. Do you like Van Helsing? Oh my goodness. Oh, that's crazy. We know for a fact now, this is proof that Nolan likes TV. Does that monster scare you? Look at this boy. Well, he likes violent movies. Action movies, huh? Oh yeah, I can see it now. In 3 years, you're gonna be running around wearing a cape. Yeah. It's so hard to make myself stop recording when he's so cute. We'll make another one. Alright. This is part 1.